Hello, it's Mr. Clark again. During this learning experience, I want you to consider the learning objective. Online learners are active participants. To frame that learning objective, we're going to explore the tool Google Meet. Google Meet is a video communication tool, and so it allows you to have video calls with other classmates or with your teacher when you're not in the same physical location. This learning experience that you're going to go through here should take you less than 30 minutes. And I'm going to walk you through the lesson plan to make sure that you're prepared for it. The first thing I'd like you to do is here on step 1, consider the question, how can participating in online activities and discussions help you learn? You can go ahead and type your answer right in this space right here. I'd encourage you to consider that question for a moment before you type your answer. On step 2, we're going to explore a new tool called Thing Link. The directions say, explore the controls in Google Meet on this Thing link. Click on the arrows to learn more and click on this icon to have the text read out loud to you. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to click into this link and you'll see a picture of a Google Meet and a silly guy smiling at you. And all these arrows, they point to different controls you have inside of a Google Meet. Let's look at this icon, for example. When I click on the arrow, a message pops up that says, People, this is the People icon. Click the People icon to see everyone that's on the call with you. If you'd like to have that text read out loud to you, you can click on the Immersive Reader icon that will take you to a screen like this. By pressing play,
click the People icon to see everyone on the call with you.
It will read it out loud to you. Click the back arrow in order to get back to this screen, and click X to get out of that icon. Go ahead and explore the rest of these icons and take a moment to learn more about Google Meet. I'm going to navigate back to our lesson plan here. After step 2, I'd like you to watch these 2 Google Meet videos on YouTube. Both are a little more than a minute long, and we'll explain a few concepts about how we can use Google Meet in order to be an active participant. Once you've watched those videos, our last step is to answer these reflection questions. I call it the 3-2-1 reflection. The first question I have for you is what are 3 things you learned about learning with technology? That can be from all 3 of our lessons today. So you can kind of fill those answers in here on your specific document. The next question I have for you is what are 2 ways you could use what you learned about learning with technology? How could you use it? And finally, the last question is, what is 1 question you still have about learning with technology? Hey, I hope that these learning experiences today will help you be an effective online learner as we return to school this fall. If you have any specific questions about your lesson, feel free to ask your teacher in the classroom with you. They'll be there to help. Other than that, I will see you in the hallways. Have a wonderful day.